kilo.
Wow. Well, hello everybody. Today's episode is going to be special when it comes to the food department. Lechon is one of our most favorite foods here in the Philippines. We've eaten it in restaurants, but we have never had street lechon. More specifically, in front of our butcher, who every week or 2 weeks will bring in a pig and have lechon, which everybody from the whole neighborhood will come and line up and buy some of it. So we're going early so that we can get some good meat because it's very, very popular in this neighborhood. All right, here we go. These guys are absolutely awesome. They're always offering me a drink, I gotta tell you. Always, always. And look what we got here. We got the big pig. How big's this one? How many kilos?
Almost 60 kilos.
16?
Yeah.
16 kilos. That is a very big pig. Look at that, he's still got his tongue. It takes 4 hours to roast a pig to make the best lechon. The crispiest skin, the most tender meat, the whole thing is absolutely delightful. So, here we go. I'm gonna get, I don't know, we'll find out what the price is and decide how much lechon to order. So what is the price, my friend?
Price?
Yeah.
500. 500.
500 a kilo?
Kilo, yeah.
Wow. 500 a kilo. That is incredibly low cost. We're on Boracay. Keep that in mind. 500 a kilo. What? Oh, I know many of you are going to be very jealous that you are not here on Boracay getting some of this lechon right now. Oh, people are going to start coming. You can smell it for a mile away, so it smells absolutely delightful. I see the steam coming from them after they remove the spit.
Paano to?
Got a little spray there. I guess I smell delicious. Okay, I had to step back there because it was spraying. Good. Look at the seasoning. Yeah, in two bags. Yeah, because I give my neighbor 1 kilo. Please. Hello guys.
Kilo.
Okay, look at all that. Now I gotta get a couple beers because, you know, to wash it all down. Success! A big bad boy instead of 2. Why not? Okay, we're gonna share because we got so much. We got 2 kilos. So we're gonna share with some of our neighbors so they can have some of this delicious meat. Knock, knock, hello. Hello. How are you? I have lechon for you. Yeah, we had leftover. Well, we ordered too much.
Thank you very much, sir.
So we thought we'd give you some lechon. Hello.
Thank you very much,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah. Enjoy, guys. Enjoy.
Sir.
Hello, sir. We're sharing our lechon with everyone.
Thank you.
Nice and fresh. Thank you. All right, you gotta have the beer first. So we're gonna do that real quick.
You should explain why you're doing bubbles, because people are like, do you know how to pour beer?
Yeah, you know, the funny thing is people think when you pour beer, you're supposed to put it on an angle so you don't get all these bubbles. But what happens is all those bubbles end up in your belly and you get gassy. But if you let the gas dissipate before you drink it, they're not gonna...
Less gassy.
Less gassy. So you want that, actually.
Bingo bongo. Cheers!
Cheers. To the lechon.
I'm excited.
First of all,
I'm excited.
your favorite part of lechon is?
It's the crunchy skin, of course.
So let's turn the bowl.
Holy. Okay. Oh my god, that's a lot of skin though.
And you have no knife. You gotta eat it like a Filipino.
You have to eat.
I know you.
Wow, look at that.
I know. How are you gonna eat it like a Filipino?
It kind of looks like leather.
Just
so.
pick it up and eat it.
No, I can't do that because then it's going to be too chewy. Can you pass me a knife? I promise you, we don't want to be sitting here for 10 minutes just watching me chew. Ready? Okay, now this feels a little weird. Okay, look at this. Please don't.
Wow. Listen to that crunch.
It's good though. Very chewy.
Very, very chewy.
But very crunchy.
And just so you know, yes, we do have a vinegar. We do have another sauce that's like a gravy. And we do have
Just for laughs.
your spread.
Yeah, from the Bohol Farms.
The Bohol Farm spread.
Malung. Oh, I forgot how he said it.
With honey and malunggay spread.
Malung.
Malunggay.
Malunggay spread?
Malunggay spread.
Malunggay spread.
It's not really a spread for this.
But I don't care. Okay, we're fiends, so we like mixing it up.
Why not?
Easy peasy. Oh, you took my knife.
I took your knife?
You took my knife. It's okay. You know, finish.
You have the
finish.
scissors. So the meat is so juicy. You weren't there for it, but when they were cutting open the pig, juice was splattering everywhere. I had to back up like 6 feet.
You need like a
because
raincoat.
Look
Splashes
at my
over.
shorts.
Oh my god, you were actually in the splash zone.
Oh yeah, 10 feet was the splash zone. So
That's
yeah, I just
crazy.
noticed my shirt was, there's a lot of splash.
I'm gonna show it off. People might mistake for missing the toilet bowl.
Oh, there's so much good meat here. And look at that, we have no sides. We literally are like, we're just eating lechon.
Yeah, no rice, okay? Rice is not life today.
No.
Oh, here you can take that back. And I take my scissors. All the utensils you need.
Oh.
Add
Oh.
in that sauce.
With the vinegar, it's delicious.
Don't mind me, I'm just cutting the skin. Professional. Look at that, it's crispy. Oh yeah, that pork, it's so soft.
Yeah.
And obviously, the vinegar adds that little flair that we all know and love. And if you don't know, you have to try it then.
That's true. And yeah, the spit was literally coming right out of the pig. So this is fresh. Hopefully, our neighbors like it just as much as we do. I think they do. I think everybody loves lechon.
Every time we see it, like we always miss out on it because they're basically done by the time we see them, and we're like, oh my gosh, there's lechon, but the whole thing is like empty.
Yeah.
So that's why we asked him what time he was doing lechon and what time we should go there, and 4. It was 4, right? 4 o'clock. That's the time for us.
Not every day. Not every day.
Not every day.
Absolutely perfect. Actually beautiful.
You tried this?
Believe it or not, this, to me, in my opinion, is better than any of the restaurant lechon we've had.
Mm-hmm. Oh my gosh, it is. It's so good.
Oh yeah.
Plus the price.
Oh, the price. 500 pesos per kilo. That's incredible. That is incredible. You can get a 10 kilo pig and they'll want at least 11,000 or 14,000. So if you do the math on that, we should have paid double this. So wow, that is
spoiled.
so amazing.